Hi everyone, here we've got an Oppo A15 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, in this option bar right in the middle, we've got the timer option, so just tap on it, and after tapping once you can set 3 seconds delay. After tapping again you can set 10 seconds delay, and again you can turn it off completely. So let's begin with 10 seconds delay, for example. Let's get back and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check the 3 seconds delay. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Let's turn it off. And as you can see, right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Oppo A15. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.